Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best prom boxes with letters is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any celebration, offering a unique way to personalize your event and create a memorable focal point that guests will be talking about long after the party is over. Number 5. Sakolla 10 Sets Balloon Stick Stand. Introducing the Sakolla Balloon Stand, the perfect accessory to elevate your party decorations. This set provides a stable and elegant way to display your balloons. Crafted from durable transparent plastic and acrylic, this stand is built for long-lasting use. You can rely on it for countless celebrations. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, baby shower, or anniversary, this stand is your go-to for festive occasions. It adds a special touch to any event. Setting up is a breeze. With included balloon glue and instructions, you can assemble it in just 3 minutes. No complicated steps, just quick and easy decorating. Designed to be a stable tabletop support, it ensures your balloons stay perfectly in place. Enjoy a neat and professional look for your centerpieces. This stand is not just for one event, it's reusable for multiple occasions. Save money and reduce waste with this cost-effective decorating solution. What we like? This option offers a durable and stable tabletop stand, perfect for keeping balloons upright at any event. If you need a reliable and reusable solution for consistent balloon displays at parties, weddings, or showers, this is a great choice. Its easy assembly means less stress and more time to enjoy your celebration. What people say. The sticks lock into the bases if you push them in until they click in place. The only thing that works perfectly to hold them upright in place both inside and even outside in a wind is to put that double-sided sticky thin foam on the little button underneath the base. I used 24 inches balloons which made it very top-heavy, but I glued the base onto a box with rocks inside. Number 4. Rose Gold Baby Shower Decoration Boxes Kit. Make your special occasion truly memorable with our elegant rose gold decoration boxes. They are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any celebration. With a variety of letters, numbers, and symbols included, you can easily spell out any name or message. Create custom blocks that perfectly match your theme and make it uniquely yours. These versatile blocks are ideal for a wide range of events, including baby showers, gender reveals, birthdays, and weddings. They are sure to impress your guests and add a beautiful touch to your party backdrop. Let your creativity shine. These boxes can be filled with balloons, gifts, or any other decorative items you can imagine. They are designed to complement any party theme you choose. Setting them up is a breeze, and they are made from durable materials for repeated use. Enjoy a beautiful display that you can easily assemble and reuse for future celebrations. What we like? This set provides incredible customization with a wide array of letters and numbers, allowing you to spell out any name or greeting. If you're looking to create a truly personalized touch for a birthday, gender reveal, or baby shower, this is the perfect choice. You can also fill them with balloons or small gifts for an extra special surprise. What people say. Can use over and over again. The size is perfect quality, nice and durable for multi-use. Super easy to use and put together. The thickness was great, not thin. Boxes were thicker than I had anticipated, which was great. Super cute, can't wait to use them. These show inside with letters boxes can be used for many occasions, starting from baby gender reveals to baby showers to New Year parties. Simply by adding different colors of balloons and/or decorations, it can fit up to 3 medium-sized balloons, not included. The card boxes can stand on themselves after being assembled. The letters and numbers have a nice gold color, and match the seller's photos. Number 3. Aimto Clear Balloon Boxes, Black, 4 PCS. Elevate your celebrations with our versatile decoration boxes. They are perfect for creating unique and memorable party displays. These boxes come ready for your personal touch. Add your own balloons or other decorations to craft a truly one-of-a-kind party experience. From baby showers and weddings to graduations and holidays, these clear boxes are a stylish addition to any event. They are also great for showcasing treats. Made from safe and durable materials, these boxes are designed for repeated use. Enjoy assembling them and creating happy memories for years to come. Setting up is a breeze, allowing you to focus on the fun. These lightweight boxes can be reused to create stunning party decorations time and time again. Designed for multiple uses, these clear boxes offer a sustainable way to decorate. Keep them in a dry place to ensure they are ready for your next celebration. What we like. This product offers a clear and versatile design that serves as a blank canvas for your creativity. If you enjoy DIY projects and want to add your own unique decorations or treats inside, these boxes are ideal. Their lightweight nature makes them easy to arrange for any party, from baby showers to graduations. What people say. The letters are easy to assemble and stay put. The boxes are sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. The clear design allows you to see the contents inside easily. Number 2. Beistle Prom Column. Set a luxurious tone for your proposal with this stunning backdrop. The silver foil contrasts beautifully with the black columns, creating an unforgettable visual. These columns are perfect for accessorizing a balloon arch or as a grand send-off decoration. They add a touch of sophistication to any prom event. Ideal for your prom night dinner, dance, or as a photo backdrop. This piece is designed to make your celebration shine. Standing at 3 feet 9 inches tall, this impressive column is made from durable cardstock. It's designed to be a focal point for your event. Assembly is simple with 4 cardstock pieces that stack together. Proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality for your special occasion. Since 1900, Beistle has been dedicated to helping you celebrate life's moments. We create fun, high-quality products using the finest materials. What we like. This option is specifically designed to create a luxurious and festive atmosphere, especially for prom-related events. If you're aiming for a high-impact, themed decoration that stands out, this prom column is your go-to. Its impressive size and elegant design make it a fantastic backdrop for photos and a memorable centerpiece. What people say. Easy to put together and the prop was a lot of fun. Very nice quality decoration. Very cute, easy to assemble. Number 1. Voircoloria Black Balloon Boxes. Make your special event unforgettable with these versatile decorative blocks. They are perfect for adding a personal touch to any party. Crafted from durable, recyclable materials, these blocks are built to last. You can easily assemble them in just 5 minutes, saving you time and effort. Unleash your creativity by using the included letters and numbers to spell out names or messages. Fill them with balloons for an even more stunning display. These decorative blocks are ideal for a wide range of celebrations. Use them for graduations, gender reveals, weddings, anniversaries, and New Year's parties. Each set includes 6 black transparent boxes, 78 letters and numbers, and adhesive dots. Everything you need to create beautiful, personalized decorations is right here. Designed for repeated use, these blocks are a sustainable choice for your party needs. Their stable construction ensures they can be enjoyed for many celebrations to come. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of black boxes and a vast selection of letters and numbers for extensive personalization. If you need a comprehensive and stylish solution for larger events or multiple decorations, like graduations or gender reveals, this is an excellent choice. The quick assembly means you can easily create a personalized and impactful display. What people say. Easy to assemble and decorate. Sturdy and easy to assemble, did not look cheap. Perfect for what I used them for. Will be now to reuse them too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.